Yep, so we were just at Lowe's. They had absolutely nothing we needed. So now we're off to Home Depot. Got an extra day this week.
Which is lovely. No, we shouldn't say that. We did get our insulation. We've been buying the same insulation for the whole bus. We did get our insulation, which we can't get at Depot. And so now we have to go get 2x3s. And what else?
A tongue groove for the ceiling.
Tongue groove for the ceiling. So we can work on that when we get there.
Yeah, we got 2 or 3 projects half started, so we're gonna try to finish them off.
Oh, it was nice today, right? Yeah. We all got to sleep in because Gwen slept in for us, which was lovely. Then Corey went and got us all breakfast. So yeah, it was nice just to chill in the morning. And now we have some time just to buy stuff. Even though Corey hates opening his wallet.
Yeah.
Should have thought of that before we started this project. But like everyone says, our bills will be non-existent once the bus is done. No mortgage. She's ours.
That's right. Now the dreadful Home Depot.
Yeah.
Looks busy.
It looks busy. So did Lowe's though, at first.
So yeah, the lumber shortage is definitely making it harder to do the build, because you got to go between lumber yards, see who's got what. But
yeah.
But yeah, we'll be heading to the bus. We'll be finishing the ceiling and the bathroom. And what else?
Whatever else
ceiling,
we can
bathroom.
Get done before we
and
get
the bed. In the bed is to get it done. The back bed.
Yeah, just how we're gonna do drawers, but not take up too much of our garage. Trying to figure out the best storage for that and how to build that.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. We'll see you at the bus.
Our drill's set up.
Yeah. So we're continuing the ceiling now. Finish it right off. Finish the insulation. Finally found pine tongue and groove. Yeah. And the next mission will be the finishing off the kitchen. That is right here. Then the bed. Then we're building a bunk bed right here. Should be interesting. How you feeling about the progress so far, Jen?
Pretty good.
All right, here. I gotta get you out of the light.
Oh, yep. Our lovely lights are shadows.
Yeah. Now we got a wall here, though. It's better.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Yeah. So.
Yeah. Continue the ceiling. We're gonna think about how we're gonna cover the air conditioner, make it look pretty.
Yeah. Yeah, so there you go. We'll continue. Give you an update when we're done. Yep.
Okay, so end of the day, heading home now to get some dinner. We finished the ceiling to the very back where we have to do some custom fits to cover that. But we love it, looking really good. And of course, we have to fill all of our screws still and whatnot. Next week, I'm going to focus on the kitchen storage, which is going to go all the way from the bathroom wall to the end of the bus. It's going to go over the bed as well. And I guess technically, yeah, it's going to go in the bathroom too because we got to cover the wires in there as well. It just may not be, it won't be as deep as a bulkhead there. But yeah, overall, it's coming together. We don't have much lumber needs right now, which is good. Yeah, so until next time.